I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jamie and thanks so much for stopping by. Today we are going to do the Creative You Do-It-Yourself All-in-One Aromatherapy. Alright, so this one comes with a mix and blend custom essential oils. And I love the fact that you can actually give these away as gifts again if you really wanted to. So it looks like this. You guys can see it because of my ring light. So you have the essential oils over here. You have rocks. There's a spray bottle, a measuring cup, and one of those, I can't remember what they're called, but you know what I'm saying. So this is what the box looks like inside. So these are all the products that are actually in with the essential oils slash aromatherapy. You have a spray bottle. There's a measuring cup. I do not remember what this thing is called. 2 different oils. And then you have these small essential oils right here. 4 different types of stones. And then the actual rollers for the essential oils. Now what you do is you unscrew the top. Choose the essential oil and gemstones you would like to use. So I'm going to make this one for my aunt. So I'm gonna do the yellow gemstones, if you guys can see. Put your gems in the tube. Oh, so we're gonna, So I chose the yellow gems and the purple gems, sunflower oil. And we're using the pipelet, that's what it's called. And you're measuring 7 milliliters to this. And you're going to drop, it doesn't say how many drops you need to do, but it's completely up to you. So I'm gonna do 6. Transfer the essential oils that you've done into your tube. Place the roller tip back on top. Oh, there it is. And there's, oh God, it smells good. So this one's gonna be for my aunt. I'm gonna do 1 more of the essential oil, and then why not do the spray bottle so we can do all of it as a set. Again, all you're doing is taking off the top. The little roller slash head is right here. You just leave those to the side. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do turquoise and the rest of the purple, because purple was my mama's favorite color and turquoise is my favorite color. So I want a little bit of my mama with me today. Now I will say from the first one, you do have to roll it a couple of times, let the roller get hit with the oils. And then after you do that, it'll start to like come out. So we've made one for me with turquoise and purple gemstones using the sunflower oil and lavender. But this one we did a sunflower oil with rose, and then we did the purple gemstones with the clear ones. So this one is for my aunt and this one was for me. And now let's do the actual spray one. The directions say you take the spray bottle like this. You take the witch hazel oil, put the entire bottle into the spray bottle. So just gonna put the whole thing in. All right, so that was the entire bottle of the witch hazel. Now it says you can use any essential oil that you want. So I'm gonna use this sweet orange essential oil. And I'm gonna do quite a few drops because it's a big bottle. 12, good. So I just used the entire bottle of the sweet orange. Fill up the remaining amount with room temperature water. And it says try to fill it up as much as possible to the tip. So now you put the top back on, shake well. So now your essential oils is all in together. Oh yeah, I just sprayed my hand. It smells great. I like this. And if you really wanted to personalize it, you could use the sticker that comes with the thing. And just put it on like so. Look at that. Y'all think I'm a pro over here. Well guys, that is it. I hope you guys liked this video. This one was actually very easy to follow. It was actually very simple. I like the fact that it only took maybe 10 minutes to do all of these. And I have 4 essential oils and a spray. So I'm super excited about that. All the products I will list down below with what ingredients I put together. So I made one for my mother-in-law, 2 for me. And then I made one for my aunt. I would highly recommend you guys try this one if you have not already. The smell is amazing. This is the one that I got for myself. And it feels really good. I like it. I love that there's gems in here to make it just a little bit more upscale, I feel. But that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, please subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure that you hit the notification bar down below so you know when I upload a new video. As always, I love you guys and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!
You are the stranger.